Welcome, class of HC. Like this video on your way in and comment present in the comment section below if you're here to become the best version of you. Here are the 5 steps on how to respect yourself. Step 1. Love yourself. Always remember, self-respect begins with the love you have for yourself. Think of it with this example. Consider comparing a pair of shoes that you love the most versus a pair of shoes that you don't really care for. For the pair of shoes that you love the most, you're likely to mind where you store them, clean them more often, be very careful about your every step, and maybe even go as far as to making sure the weather conditions are right before you choose to walk outside wearing them. In contrast, with the shoes that you don't really care for, you are likely to treat them in any careless way. Step here, step there, step any and everywhere, because whatever, right? Now, compare this example to self-love. When you truly love yourself, similar to your favorite shoes, you're likely to pay more attention to how you treat yourself and how others treat you. You are also likely to pay closer attention to who you let into your life and be selective about your time and energy. In addition, with self-love, you are more likely to be mindful of taking care of your body and being wary of what you consume and what you allow into your body. Self-love is a breeding ground for self-respect because it encourages the actions necessary to effortlessly maintain a high level of self-respect. Earn your own respect. Love yourself first. Step 2. Take action. A great way to earn respect for yourself is to actually do the things that you say you are going to do. When you mean and do the things that you set out to consistently, you are likely to earn your own respect because you are proving yourself to be a capable person. This respect is earned similar to how much you would respect another person if they held to their word and did what they said. Think if you had a friend that never did what they said they were going to do, that always created excuses for themselves when you needed them the most. What would your perception of them be? Your respect for them is likely to not be the highest if their words did not align with their actions. In the same way, you are likely to encourage negative self-talk if your own actions don't align with what you actually think and genuinely feel. During this process, it's important to consider that being aware of what to do and actually doing it are 2 very different things. Always remember, the only difference between your idea and your goal is execution. Become someone you can respect by going through with your thoughts and commitments. Take action. Step 3. Listen to yourself. In this context, to listen to yourself is to consider your own thoughts and feelings, as well as to honor your morals, values, and principles. In a world where there are influences pulling you hither and thither, listening to yourself will be a great amplifier to self-respect. To listen to yourself is to consider that you are the one going through this human experience. And no matter how big of an influence someone or something may be, you are the only one that will have to live with the repercussions, consequences, and reactions to everything that you do. Therefore, it is important to truly act in accordance with your inner self, because at the end of the day, you are the one that will have to face yourself. Take a moment and ask yourself, am I happy with what I have become? Am I completely content with where I am headed in my life? Do I truly believe in what I am doing? By giving yourself the time to think and consider your true opinions, thoughts, and feelings, you are likely to earn your own respect because you will come to realize trusting yourself will always lead you toward a future that you can face and be completely accountable for. To listen to yourself is a form of communication, and just like any relationship, especially the relationship with yourself, communication is a key to success. Step 4. Be adaptable. In this context, to be adaptable is to accept that there are always things that can happen to hinder your plans. It is, however, to always remember that it's not about what you are going through, it's about how you choose to go through it. We are often focused on what is not working for us, so focused that we don't notice the things that are actually working for us in our lives. Think of this like wanting to wear your favorite rain boots outside in the rain, and today was the day that there was supposed to be rain. But then, all of a sudden, the forecasters announce that it's going to be a rather sunny day. In this scenario, you can go through the bright sunny day thinking about how annoyed you are about not being able to wear your rain boots and ignore all the great things happening around you on this bright sunny day. This negative attitude would simply compile upon itself, and your whole day would likely be wasted wallowing in negativity. Or you could consider that although things didn't go as planned, there is so much to be happy about, and there are so many ways you can make the most out of this sunny day, despite it not going as you expected. Always remember, there are many opportunities for happiness, but because you are fixated on one idea to get you there, you are likely to never truly get there. Respect yourself because you are possible. Adapt and become. Step 5. Try again. Simply put, don't give up on yourself. Self-respect is earned by testing your own limits and stretching your own perceptions of reality. To try again is to accept that failure will only be failure if you leave it be. Always remember, no matter how many times you fail, you only have to succeed once to make a difference that you want to see. Respect for yourself will develop when you begin to truly accept that your success is inevitable, meaning that if you continue to try and continue to grind forward on your journey to becoming the best version of you, your growth is inevitable. It is important to consider that sustainable success does not happen by accident. Think of this like the success of a bodybuilder's body. Do you believe that he ate junk food and slept for the majority of his days leading up to his competition, just wishing and planning to be fit? And then one day out of nowhere he achieved a great physique, like magic? Out of nowhere? Really? What really took place was consistent action towards his goal, which means months of training consistently and months of discipline. Always remember, with every misstep, there comes awareness of how to not repeat that same mistake again. Give yourself another shot. Earn your own respect. Try again. Thanks for your attendance. Before you leave class today, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you here next time on Howell Consultations, the how-to being true to you.